Hi everyone, my name is Hailey Crusenberry and I am a student at Waynesburg University. Now, I work in research in biomedical science and I'm looking to do a little bit of research of my own in the next couple of years. This is near and dear to my heart because my little brother, his name's Lucas, actually has a dairy allergy to whey protein. Now, this is a commonly misconstrued concept with lactose intolerance. So, I'm going to introduce you guys to a little bit about what I want to do to help. So, this is whey protein denaturation and its allergenic effects and uses. This is commonly misconstrued with lactose intolerance. However, a dairy and whey allergen has to do with the body's immune system, while lactose intolerance does not. Lactose intolerance is simply the body's lack of the enzyme lactase to break down the sugars found in dairy products called lactose. Rather, that sugar remains undigested in the stomach and is then broken down by bacteria. A dairy allergen, however, is where the body's immune system overreacts to proteins found in milk. Viewing it as a threat, allergies are caused by the release of a hormone called histamine. So, protein denaturation is what I want to do. This is a process in which proteins lose their native structure and uncoil. This occurs when they are exposed to some external stress or compounds such as heat, acid, salt, or solvent. This process involves the breaking of weak bonds within a molecule that are typically responsible for its tightly organized and coiled structure. The protein will also lose some of its biological activities and properties, thus influencing what I'm looking to research, allergenic activity and reaction probability. Whey protein denaturation occurs around 70 degrees Celsius with more precise completion at higher temperatures. So there are different ways to determine whey denaturation, and these are different ways that can be done in a lab to help my experiment. They're a little bit described on this slide for you guys. These are some common questions I had and their answers. So why doesn't denatured protein powder exist as a substance to add when making a quote-unquote dairy-free liquid substance, while non-denatured protein powders are so common when it comes to people like weightlifters? So one of the properties of the new denatured proteins is the fact that it becomes mostly insoluble. Thus, these soluble powders can't really exist. Why is there little research on this topic and more common alternative sources of milk are used? Denatured proteins within dairy, such as whey, are said to lose a lot of their nutritional value in this process. So more nut milks became a common nutritional substitute for those with allergies instead. So I'm a little unsure yet what I want to study, but there's a few routes I could go, hoping to get to, at some point in life, helping to produce a hypoallergenic cow's milk, because nut allergies are also very common. So I hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching.